and welcome to the WineFind video demo. WineFind is a web application that helps you find the wine that is just right for you. Let's get started. This is the splash screen. Here you can either log into an existing account or sign up for a brand new one. I do not have my own account, so let's go ahead and sign up. As you can see, after selecting the sign up button, a new slider shows up that has college students on one end and professors on the other. WineFind works under the assumption that user tastes fall somewhere in this spectrum. So I am about to graduate, so I'm there in that spectrum. So the concept is that your tastes and preferences evolved over time. So depending on where you are, your wine preferences will be different. So let's go ahead and sign up. These are the wines that are recommended for me as a graduating student. You can see there's a couple of wines that are known for being very economic. But hey, I've never heard of this Delaport Sancerre. So it sounds interesting. We can select it and read the the wine's description. Let's go ahead and save it for later. If the suggestions that the algorithm provided were not really of my preference, I can go ahead and look for wines myself. Here, you can just go through the list. You can search amongst the 8,000 wines that we have, which are conveniently sorted into groupings. Those two sounded interesting. Now, let's go into my finds. How this system works is that users will go look at their recommendations or go explore for wines and add them to their finds. A find is a wine that you think is interesting and you would want to try at some point. It's a very simple way of keeping track of what piqued your attention. So after I go home and try these wines, I can come back and give them a star rating. So how these ratings are factored in is that depending on your vote, it actually gets averaged into the wine's score. So if you provide a really high vote, the wine score will be heavily biased towards your user score. If you provide a low vote, then it will be lowly biased towards your score. The idea is that as more users try these wines, the wine values will actually slowly bubble to the classes that the users like. In terms of design evolution, we initially had the Explore tab broken up into two separate buttons, the Type and the Price button. However, according to our heuristic evaluation, having so many buttons on the nav bar was actually distracting from the key functionality for our application. So we consolidated these two functionalities under the Explore tab and call that a single feature. That way the Recommendations tab is front and center, which is precisely the whole point of WineFind. It'll recommend wines for you. We feel that by doing so, we've actually managed to simplify the layout and make it more easy to use. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.